Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve some more JEE Mains previous year questions on the chapter Trigonometric Ratios and Identities. So any doubts if you have in any steps, then please write that in the comments. We shall obviously clarify them. And in any other chapter of maths, if you have more difficulty, then please mention the name of that chapter also in the comments so that we can give more priority on it and solve more and more questions on that chapter. Also, some important homework questions based on every chapter of maths will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So here in the very first question, it is told that if the value of 3 cos 36 degree plus 5 sine 18 degree divided by 5 cos 36 degree minus 3 sine 18 degree, that is equal to given as a root 5 minus b by c, and a, b, c are natural numbers. A, B, C belongs to n, and the HCF, or the greatest common divisor of a and c, that is equal to 1. So it means a and c are co-prime. Then a plus b plus c value we have to find. A plus b plus c value has been asked. So now the left hand side, that is 3 cos 36. So as we know that cos 36 degree, that is equals to root 5 plus 1 by 4. And sine 18 degree we know that is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. So root 5, since sine 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4, so therefore cos 36 we can say cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So it is 1 minus 2 sine square 18 degree. So that is 1 minus 2 into root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So if we solve it, then we will get root 5 plus 1 by 4. Since y, we will get like this, we 1 minus 2 into 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 16. So 2 8 is 16. So this will be 8 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 by 8. So this will be root 5 plus 1 by 4. So now, therefore, 3 cos 36, so that is 3 into root 5 plus 1 by 4, and then plus 5 into sine 18. Sine 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4 divided by, this is 5 cos 36, so 5 into root 5 plus 1 by 4. 5 into root 5 plus 1 by 4 minus, this is 3 sine 18 degrees, so it is 3 into root 5 minus 1 by 4. So this will be 3 root 5 plus 3 plus 5 root 5 minus 5 divided by 5 root 5 plus 5 minus 3 root 5 plus 3. So this will be equal to 8 root 5 minus 2 divided by 2 root 5 plus 8. So this will be 4 root 5 minus 1 by root 5 plus 4. 4 root 5. So since we can take 2 and we can we can take 2 as common and we can cancel. Then if we rationalize the denominator, then we will get 4 root 5 minus 1 into root 5, into 4 minus root 5, and this is equal to 4 plus root 5 into 4 minus root 5. So then we will get, this is 4 for the 16 root 5 minus 4 root 5 into root 5, so 4 5 is 20 minus 4 plus root 5 divided by, this is 16 minus 5, so this is 11. So this is equal to 17 root 5 minus 24 divided by 11. So now 17 and 11, they are obviously co-prime, means their HCF is 1. So therefore the left hand side value, that is, it is told a root 5 minus b by c, that is equal to 17 root 5 minus 24 by 11. So therefore I can say a is 17, b is 22, and c is 11. Then a plus b plus c you have to find. So therefore a plus b plus c, that is equal to 17 plus 22 plus 11. So that is 17 plus 33. That is 30 plus 7 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. So this is equal to 50. So option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told sin x value is minus 3 by 5, and where the value of x is from pi to 3 pi by 2. So pi to 3 pi by 2, it means it is in the third quadrant. The angle is pi plus theta. It is, since it is where theta is going from 0 to pi by 2, and then the angle is pi plus theta. So it is going from pi to 3 pi by 2. So then we can say so since sin x, that will be obviously minus 3 by 5, since sin is negative in the third quadrant and cos is also negative in the third quadrant. So cos x will be minus 4 by 5, and tan x, that tan x is positive, so it will be 3 by 4. So therefore 80 into tan square x minus cos x. So how did we find cos x? We can say that cos x, that will be equal to minus of square root of 1 minus sine square x. Since here minus sign we have to use, since why it is in the third quadrant. So it will be minus of 1 minus 9 by 25, which is equal to minus 4 by 5. So 3 by 4. So therefore this will be 80 into tan square x, that is 9 by 16 minus cos x. Cos x, so it is minus, so it is plus 4 by 5. So this will be 80 into the LCM will be 16 5 is 80. 16 5 9 is 45, then 5 16 5 is 16 4 is 64. This will be 80 into 109 by 80. So these two will cancel. So the answer will be 109. So option A is the correct answer. So then here it is told, suppose theta equals to, theta belongs to 0 to pi by 4 is a solution of 4 cos theta minus 3 sin theta is equal to 1, then cos theta is equal to. So you can say 4 cos theta, that is equal to 1 plus 3 sin theta. Then if we square both sides, then we will get 16 cos square theta, that is equal to 1 plus 9 sin square theta, then plus 2 3 6 sin theta. And 16 cos square theta, I can say this is 16 into 1 minus sin square theta to 1 plus 9 sin square theta. plus 6 sine theta. Therefore, this will be 1 plus 9 sine square theta plus 6 sine theta. This will be plus 16 sine square theta minus 16, that is equal to 0. So this will be 16 plus 9, that is 25 sine square theta plus 6 sine theta minus 15, that is equal to 0. Now so therefore sine theta, that will be equal to cos theta has been asked. We can convert this into cos theta. Can convert this into cos theta. So this will be, then we can say 3 sine theta, that is equal to 4 cos theta minus 1. Then we can square both sides. So then it will be 9 sine square theta, that is equal to 16 cos square theta plus 1 minus 8 cos theta. This I can write 9 into 1 minus cos square theta equal to 16 cos square theta minus 8 cos theta plus 1. So this will be 16 cos square theta minus 8 cos theta plus 1 plus 9 cos square theta minus 9, that is equal to 0. So this will be 25 cos square theta minus 8 cos theta minus 8, that is equal to 0. Therefore cos theta, that will be equal to minus b, it is 8 plus or minus b square, which is 64, b square minus 4ac, which is 4 into 8 into 25, b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is 25. So this will be 8 plus or minus square root of this will be 100, 800, so 864 by 50. This we can write, this will be 864. If we take the factors, this will be 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12. So 216 means 2 1 is 2, 2 0 is 2 8 is 16, 2 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, so the 14. So it is 3 power 3. So 8 plus or minus, this is 2 power 5 2 power 5 into 3 power 3 divided by 50. So this we can say this will be 8 plus or minus, this is 2 to the 2 square will come outside, so 4 into 3, and inside also we will have 6. Here we will have 50, so 225 is 2 to the 4, 2 4 is 8. So therefore cos theta is coming 4 plus or minus 2, no, 6 root 6 by 25. Now 6 root 6, it is more than 4, obviously. So now in this region from 0 to pi by 4, cos theta is obviously greater than 0. In for theta belongs to 0 to pi by 4. In this range, cos theta should have positive value only. So this negative sign we should not take. So therefore it will be 4 plus 6 root 6 by 25. Now if you rationalize the numerator, then we will get 4 plus 6 root 6 into 4 minus 6 root 6 by 25 into 4 minus 6 root 6. So this will be 16. 4 for 16 minus 6 is a 36. 36 into 6, that is 216 by 25 into 4 minus 6 root 6, that is equal to minus 200 by 25 into 4 minus 6 root 6. Now 25 4 is 100, so this is minus 8. So from here, this I can write 8 by 2 into 3 root 6 minus 2. So 2 4 is 8, so this is 4 by 3 root 6 minus 2. 4 by 3 root 6 minus 2. So option D is the correct answer. And here we can say that tan, okay, here it is told tan A equal to this, tan B equal to this, and tan C is this, and A plus B is equal to. So tan C, it is given, it is 1 by x cube plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x whole power half. So now if you take the LCM, then we will get here x cube. So it will be 1 plus x square whole power half. So this will be root over 1 plus x square divided by x root x. Now if you do okay. This you can write, it is 1 by x root x by root over 1 plus x square. Now if you do tan A plus B, then we will get tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So this will be 1 by root x into x square plus x plus 1 plus 1 by plus root x by root over x square plus x plus 1 divided by 1 minus tan into tan B, that is root x by root x into root over root x by root x into x square plus x plus 1. So now if you simplify it, then tan A plus B, then we will get that is equal to is root over x into x square plus x plus 1 above here it will come 1 plus this will be x divided by root x. Okay, so this will be root x to x square plus x plus 1 minus root x by over x into x square plus x plus 1. These two will get cancelled. Then we will get 1 plus x divided by x square root x plus x root x plus root x minus root x. Root x will cancel. Then we'll get 1 plus x into this will be x root x x plus 1. So x plus 1 will cancel. So I'll get 1 by x root x. Now here tan c that is equal to actually 1 by x cube plus 1 by x square plus 1 by x whole power half. So if you take LCM x cube, then this is x 1 plus x square whole power half. This is root over x square plus x plus 1 divided by x root x. That means 1 by tan c, 1 by tan c that is equal to x root x by square root of x square plus x plus 1. If you do tan a plus tan b, then we will get 1 by root over x square plus x plus 1 plus root x by root over x plus x square plus x plus 1. And here root x is also there. So this will be root over x into x square plus x plus 1 is the LCM. Here we will get 1 and here we will get x. And tan a tan b will be equal to 1 by root over x into root over x square plus x plus 1 into root x by root over x square plus x plus 1. This will be, these two will get cancelled and then we'll get 1 by x square plus x plus 1. Now therefore if I do 1 minus tan a tan b, then we get 1 minus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. This will be x square plus x plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. So this will be x into x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. Now therefore tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. If we do this, then we will get tan A plus tan B, that is 1 plus x by root over x into x square plus x plus 1 divided by this, which is x into x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1. So this will be 1 plus x by square root of x into x square plus x plus 1 into this is x square plus x plus 1 divided by 1 plus x into x. So these two will get cancelled, and then we will get root over x square plus x plus 1 divided by x root x. This we will get, which is obviously equal to tan c. So therefore I can say tan c will be obviously equal to tan of a plus b. So therefore c is equal to a plus b, I can say. Option A is the correct answer. Then here it is told to find the number of solutions of the equation e power sin x minus 2 e power minus sin x is equal to 2. E power sin x minus 2 e power minus sin x equal to 2. So therefore if e power sin x, if I take that is equal to y, then it will be y minus 2 to 1 by y is equal to 2. So if we multiply with y on both sides, then we will get y square minus 2, that is equal to 2y. Y square minus 2y minus 2, that is equal to 0. So now here sin x, we know that will go from minus 1 to 1. So therefore e power sin x will go from e power minus 1 means 1 by e to e. That means e power sin x value should be less than 2.718 by 1 by 2.718. So it should be more than 1 by 2.718 and less than 2.718. In this range only the value of y should come. So y should be less than 2.718 and more than 1 by 2.718. Since the value of e is approximately 2.718. So here y we can get, y will be minus b plus or minus square root of b square 4 b square minus 4ac 4 to the 8 by 2a. So y will be equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 12, which is 2 root 3 by 2, which is equal to 1 plus or minus root 3. But root 3 is more than 1, so this negative value we can't take. So y will be equal to 1 plus root 3. 1 plus root 3 means it is 1.732 approx. So it is approximately 2.732. So now y, which is coming 2.732, which is obviously more than 2.718. So it means that we can't take this value. So it will have no solution. Therefore, the number of solutions is 0. So option A is the correct answer. Then here it is told if alpha comma beta belongs to the interval 0 to pi by 2, let 3 into sine alpha plus beta, that is equal to 2 sine alpha minus beta, and a real number k be such that tan alpha equal to k tan beta, then the value of k is equal to how much? Value of k is equal to how much, that we have to find out. So now we know that sine a plus b is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, and sine a minus b is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So this I can write 3 into sine alpha cos beta minus plus cos alpha sine beta, that is equal to 2 into sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta. For 3 sine alpha cos beta plus 3 cos alpha sine beta is equal to 2 sine alpha cos beta minus 2 cos alpha sine beta. So now therefore I can say this, I can take it on the left hand side, so I will get sine alpha cos beta, that is equal to minus 5 cos alpha sine beta. Now if we divide both sides by cos alpha cos beta, then we will get sine alpha cos beta by cos alpha cos beta, that is equal to minus 5 cos alpha sine beta by cos alpha cos beta. So cos alpha will cancel here, cos beta will cancel here, then we'll get tan alpha equal to minus 5 tan beta. So therefore the value of k is minus 5. So option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told that the set of all a belongs to R such that cos 2x plus a sin x, that is equal to 2a minus 7, has a solution b to q, the set of values of a. So a should be belong to the range p to q, so then p and q values we have to find out, and r value equal to tan 9 plus minus tan 27 degree minus 1 by cot 63 degree plus tan 81 degree. Then pqr value we have to find out. Now this, therefore cos 2x we can say that is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. So this will be equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x plus a sin x, that is equal to 2a minus 7. So this will be 7 plus 1, so 8 minus 2 sine square x will be equal to a into 2 minus sine x. This I can take 2 into 4 minus sine square x, that is equal to a into 2 minus sine x. Now this I can write 2 into 2 minus sine x into 2 plus sine x. This 4 I can write it as 2 square. Equal to this will be a into 2 minus sine x. So 2 minus sine x will get cancelled. Now therefore I can say a value will be 2 into 2 plus sine x. 2 plus sine x. Now sine x value will go from minus 1 to 1. So therefore 2 plus sine x, that will go from 2 minus 1, 1 to 3. So 2 into 2 plus sine x, that value will go from 2 to 6. So therefore the value of a will belong to the closed interval 2 to 6. So I can say the value of p is 2 and q is 6. And then r value we have to find out. Now r value, that is equal to tan 9 degree minus tan 27 degree minus 1 by cot, so it is tan 63 degree, then plus tan 89 degree, tan 81 degree. So now tan 81 degree, so we know that tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. So this will be obviously cot 9 degree. We cot 9 degree. So therefore this will be tan 9 degree minus tan 27 degree. This will be minus cot 27 degree. Is why 90 degree minus 63, that is equal to obviously 7, 27 degree. So cot 27 degree plus I can write this as cot 9 degree. So this will be equal to tan 9 degree plus cot 9 degree minus of tan 27 degree plus cot 27 degree. So this will be sine 9 degree by cos 9 degree plus cos 9 degree by sine 9 degree. So then this will be minus of sine 27 degree by cos 27 degree plus cos 27 degree by sine 27 degree. So this will be cos 9 degree into sine 9 degree. This will be sine square 9 degree plus cos square 9 degree minus this will be sine 27 degree into cos 27 degree. This will be sine square 27 degree plus cos square 27 degree. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 by cos 9 degree into sine 9 degree. 1 by cos 9 degree into sine 27 degree. Now, the thing is, we know that sine theta cos theta, we can write it as 2, which is sine 2 theta by 2. And sine, so sine 9 degree into cos 9 degree, we can write it as sine 18 degree divided by 2, which is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 8. Since sine 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4, since half is also there, so it will be by 8. And similarly, sine 27 degree into cos 27 degree, that we can say that will be equal to sine 54 degree by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 36 degree. Since why we know that cos alpha, that is equal to sine 90 minus alpha. So 90 minus 54, that is obviously 36. So therefore I can say sine 27 degree into cos 27 degree, that is equal to nothing but half into root 5 plus 1 by 4, which is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 8. So this value, this I can say, this is obviously 8 by root 5 minus 1 minus this is 8 by root 5 plus 1. So now if you take the LCM, then we will have 5 minus 1, that is 4. And this will be 8 into root 5 plus 1 minus 8 into root 5 minus 1. And this will be 8 by 4 into root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 plus 1. Root 5 will cancel. 4 to the 8. So 2 into 2, that is 4. So 4 is the answer. So R value is 4. R value is 4. So now therefore we have to find out PQR. P into Q into R value. So P is 2, Q is 6 and R is 4. R is 4. So this is 4, 6. So 12 4s are 48. So 48 is the answer. Now here it has been told that it is equal to, so this, it is 96 into cos pi by 33 into cos 2 pi by 33 is okay. So we can so suppose if we take theta is equal to pi by 33, then it means then the question can be written as 96 cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 8 theta into cos 16 theta. So now therefore we can say that if we divide by sine theta, we can multiply and divide by sine theta, then we can say is 1 by sine theta, 96 by sine theta into sine theta cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta into so here it is cos 8 cos 2 theta cos 4 theta into cos 8 theta into cos 16 theta, which is equal to 96 by sine theta into this is sine 2 theta by 2 into this is cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta into cos 8 theta into cos 16 theta. Now this 2 and 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16, so this is 48. Now this I can write 48 by sine theta into sine 2 theta cos 2 theta. This I can write again sine 4 theta by 2 into cos 4 theta into cos 8 theta into cos 16 theta. And then this 2 and 48 will cancel, so 24. So this is again 24 by sine theta into sine 4 theta cos 4 theta. I can write sine 8 theta by 2 into cos 8 theta into cos 16 theta. Now 2 and 24 will cancel. 12 will come. So this is 12 by sine theta into sine 8 theta cos 8 theta, that is sine 16 theta by 2 into cos 16 theta. So 2 and 12 will cancel. So this is 6. So this will come 6 by sine theta into sine 16 theta into cos 16 theta, that is sine 32 theta by 2. So 2 3 are 6. So this will come 3 by sine theta into 3 sine 32 theta by sine theta. So now therefore this is 3 sine 32 theta means 32 pi by 33 by sine pi by 33. So as you know, sine pi minus theta, that is equal to sine theta. Sine pi minus theta is same as sine theta only. So this I can write 3 into sine pi minus pi by 33 by sine pi by 33. So this is also sine pi by 33. So it is 3 sine pi by 33 by sine pi by 33. So they will cancel and the answer will come 3. So 3 is the answer. So option D is the correct answer. Now here you can see that so now 3 9s are 27. Okay. Now 4 cos square theta minus 1. Now the thing is, you can write this like this: 4 into 1 minus sine square theta minus 1. So this is 4 minus 4 sine square theta minus 1. This is 3 minus 4 sine square theta I can write. So this I can write 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta divided by sine theta. This I can write. Now 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, this is equal to actually sine 3 theta. So I can write this as sine 3 theta by sine theta. So therefore this we can write 36 into sine 3 into 9 degree, 3 into 9 degree by sine 9 degree, and this 4 cos square 27 degree minus 1, this I can write sine 3 into 27 degree divided by sine 27 degree, and this we can write 4 cos square 81 degree, that is sine 3 into 81 degree divided by sine 81 degree into 4 cos square 243 degree minus 1, this I can write sine 3 into 243 degree, 243 degree divided by sine 243 degree. So now this I can write 36 into sine 27 degree by sine 9 degree to sine 54 degree. No, 3 7 is 21, 3 6 81. So this is sine 81 degree by sine 27 degree into this is sine 243 degree by sine 81 degree. This is sine, this is a 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 is 6, 7, sine 729 degree by sine 243 degree. Now these will cancel out. So finally we will have 36 into sine 729 degree divided by sine 9 degree. Now as we know, sine 2n pi plus theta, that is equal to sine theta only, where n is some integer for any n belongs to z. Now here this sine 729 degree, sine 729 degree can be written as sine 720 degree plus 9 degree. So 720 I can say it is 360 into 2. So it will be same as sine 9 degree. So it is equal to 36 into sine 9 degree by sine 9 degree. So these two will get cancelled. We will get 36. So option B is the correct answer. The value of this is 36. Now this value is equal to 2a, then the value of a plus 1 by a is. Now we know that 1 by tan 75, that I can write it as cot 75. Now cot 75 I can write it as tan 90 minus 75, that is equal to tan 15 degree, tan 15 degree. And similarly 1 by tan 105 degree can be written as cot 105 degree. Now cot 105 degree I can write tan of tan 90 plus 100, tan 90 plus 15 degree, which is minus of cot 15 degree, which is minus cot 15 degree. Since in the second quadrant tan is negative, and then tan 195 degree can be written as tan 180 plus 15 degree, 180 plus 15 degree. So in the third quadrant tan is positive, so it will be tan 15 degree only. Sorry, this is cot 90 plus 15 degree, cot 90 plus 15. So this is in the third quadrant, cot is having positive value only, so it will be tan 15 degree. So now therefore the given value, that is 2a, 2a is equal to tan 15 degree plus 1 by tan 75 means tan 15 degree again, and plus 1 by tan 105 degree is again tan 15 degree, and plus tan 195 degree, that is also again tan 15 degree. Sorry, here in second quadrant cot is negative, so it will be minus tan 15. So 110, 1 by tan 105, that is minus tan 15, and this is tan 15. So these two will get cancelled. So I can say 2a, that is equal to 2 tan 15 degree. So a is nothing but tan 15 degree. So therefore the value of a plus 1 by a, that is equal to tan 15 degree plus 1 by tan 15 degree is cot 15 degree. So it is tan 15 degree plus cot 15 degree. Now tan 15 degree, how to find tan 15 degree is nothing but tan 45 degree minus 30 degree. So it is equal to tan 45 minus tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan 45 into tan 30. Tan 45 into tan 30 degree. So that will be 1 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3. So this will be equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So therefore cot 15 degree, that will be equal to 1 by tan 15 degree, that is equal to nothing but root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So therefore the value of a plus 1 by a, that is nothing but a, that is tan 15, which is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So here if we take the LCM, that will come root 3 square minus 1 square, and here I will get root 3 minus 1 whole square minus plus this is root 3 plus 1 whole square. So this will be again, so this will be 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 divided by 3 minus 1. So 2 root 3 will cancel. So 4 plus 4, that is 8. 8 by 2, that is 4. So 4 is the answer. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, so here it is told that the set of all values of lambda for which the equation cos square 2x minus 2 sine power 4x minus 2 cos square x that is equal to lambda has a real solution x is. So now here we can take sine square x that is equal to 1 minus cos square x that we know, and also cos 2x we know that is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x, or we can say it is 2 cos square x minus 1. So then the equation can be converted in terms of cos x. So here we can write this will be 2 cos square x minus 1 whole square minus 2, this is sine square x whole square, so I can write 2 into 1 minus cos square x whole square minus 2 cos square x that is equal to lambda. So then we can say that 4 cos power 4x plus 1 minus 4 cos square x, then minus 2 into 1 plus cos power 4x minus 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square x that is equal to lambda. So therefore I can say 4 cos power 4x plus 1 minus 4 cos square x minus 2 minus 2 cos power 4x plus 4 cos square x minus 2 cos square x that is equal to lambda. So then we can say this will be 4 minus 2, so 2 cos power 4x. So these two will get cancelled. Then we can say this will be minus 2 cos square x minus 1 that is equal to lambda. So it should have a real solution. So now this we can say that this we can write 2 cos square x. So this will be 2 into, I can write this is cos square x whole square minus I can write cos square x minus cos square x, and we need plus 1 by 4. Since we here we need 2 into half, 2ab, a square minus b, a square minus 2ab plus b square, but here we don't have plus half, so we have minus 1, so minus half minus 1 we have to do, which is minus 3 by 2, that is equal to lambda. So this I can write, so lambda will be equal to 2 into cos square x minus half whole square, cos square x minus half whole square minus 3 by 2. So now we can say that cos square x value that will go from 0 to 1 obviously, and then cos square x minus half value that will go from minus half to plus half, then its whole square is there, so cos square x minus half whole square that will go from 0 to 1 by 4. Zero to 1 by 4. So now 2 into that, 2 into cos square x minus half whole square, and then minus 3 by 2. So it means twice of this, twice of 0 minus 3 by 2, that is it will go from minus 3 by 2 to twice of this, so half minus 3 by 2. So now this value is lambda, so lambda value that will go from minus 3 by 2 to this is minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. So minus 3 by 2 to minus 1. Therefore, lambda value belongs to minus 3 by 2 to minus 1. So option B is the correct answer. And here it is told, let f of theta, the function f of theta, that is equal to 3 into sine power 4 3 pi by 2 minus theta, plus this is sine power 4 3 pi plus theta minus 2 into minus 2 into 1, sorry, minus 2 into 1 minus sine square 2 theta. And S is the set of all those angles theta which belongs to 0 to pi, such that f dash theta, that should be equal to minus root 3 by 2. And if 4 beta, that is equal to sum of all those angles theta, such that theta be belongs to the set S, then f of beta will be how much, that we have to find out. F of beta is how much? Okay, so now sine 3 pi by 2 minus theta, which means it is in the third quadrant. So in third quadrant, so it is negative. So it will be minus cos theta, but since uh, power 4 is there, so it will be cos power 4 theta, plus this will be sine 3 pi plus theta, sine 3 pi 1, so 1 2 3. So it is again in the third quadrant. So it is sine theta, so it will be minus sine theta, but since power 4 is there, so it will be sine power 4 theta only. Then minus 2 into 1 minus sine square 2 theta. 1 minus sine square 2 theta. So this is f of theta. Now we can slightly simplify it. So f of theta, that will be 3 into this part, we can write this is cos square theta plus sine square theta whole square minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta, then minus 2 into 1 minus sine square 2 theta. Now 1 minus sine square x, I can write this is cos square x. So this I can, instead of writing this, we can write it as cos square 2 theta also. Minus 2 cos square 2 theta. Then this will be 3 into, this will sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 square is 1 again. And 1 minus 2 into this sine theta cos theta whole square. Sine theta cos theta, I can write sine 2 theta by 2. Sine 2 theta by 2. Now its whole square is there. And minus 2 cos square 2 theta. So this is 3 minus, this is 2 by 4. So it is half sine square 2 theta minus 2 cos square 2 theta. Now this we can write, this will be 3 minus half sine square 2 theta minus, I can write half cos square 2 theta, then minus I can write 2 minus half, that is 3 by 2, 3 by 2 cos square 2 theta. Now this will be, now therefore f of theta I can write it as is 3 minus half of sine square 2 theta, sine square 2 theta, sorry, is sine square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta minus this is 3 by 2 cos square 2 theta. So now this is 1 only, since sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 3 minus half, that is 2 c 6, that is 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2 cos square 2 theta. So this is f of theta. So now, so it is the simplified form of the function f of theta. So therefore now this f dash theta we have to find. F dash theta, that will be equal to 0 minus 3 by 2 into 2 cos 2 theta, 2 cos 2 theta into this will be minus d by d theta of cos 2 theta, that is minus sine 2 theta, into d by d theta of 2 theta, that is into 2, since we have to apply the chain rule here. Now this is coming minus of minus, that is plus, so it will be 3 into 2 sine 2 theta into cos 2 theta. So now 2 sine 2 theta cos 2 theta, that is sine power sine 4 theta. So this is 3 sine 4 theta. Now f dash theta, that is told that should be equal to minus root 3 by 2. Then those theta values will, and from 0 to pi if we take, those angles will belong to the set S. So now therefore if we solve this trigonometric equation, then we will have 3 sine 4 theta. So 3 sine 4 theta, that is equal to minus root 3 by 2, that is minus of sine, this is 60 degrees, so it is sine pi by 3. Now minus sine pi by 3, so you can write it as sine pi plus pi by 3 also, which is sine 4 pi by 3. So therefore now okay, so this is 1 by 2 root 3, this is coming f dash theta. Two into sine 2 theta by 2, this is so here also 3 should be there, here also 3 is there. Since this is 1 by 2, so 3 into 3 by 2, so 3 by 2, and here I can write 3 by 2, and here I can write minus half. So this will be actually, this is wrong actually, this will be minus 3 by 2, and this is 1. So to see a 6 minus 3, this is 3 by 2 minus half. So f of theta, this is 3 by 2 minus half of cos square 2 theta. So this is wrong. So this will be 1 here. This is 1. So this should be 1. So sine 4 theta, that should be sine 4 pi by 3. So sine 4 theta, that is coming sine 4 pi by 3. So therefore we can write the general solution. So it is 4 theta equals to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n theta is 4 pi by 3. Now so therefore theta will be equal to n pi by 4 plus minus 1 whole power n, and here n should belong to z, where z is an integer, so integral solutions only we need, and this is 4 so into pi by 3. Now therefore if we take n equal to 0, or for n equal to 0 if I take, then theta will be equal to pi by 3. So here theta, it is told that theta should belong to 0 to pi, so that it is in the set S. So the set S contains all those angles theta. So theta can be pi by 3. Now if I take -1, then it will become negative only, since it will be minus pi by 4 and minus pi by 3, that will be negative. So we can't take that. No, -1, yeah, we cannot take that. We cannot take -1. Now for n equal to 1, for n equal to 1, we can take pi by 4, theta equal to pi by 4 minus pi by 3, that is equal to 12. What is that? 12. That 12, 3 pi minus 4 pi. So this also we can't take since it is coming negative. So n equal to 2, let us try. So let us try for n equal to 2. So for n equal to 2, we can say that theta will be equal to 2 pi n pi plus -1 whole power n into pi by 3. So therefore this will be 2 pi plus pi by 3. So this will become n equal to 2. We are saying it is 2 pi by 4. Sorry, 2 pi by 4 and pi by 4 minus. Okay. So this is pi by 2 plus pi by 3. So this will be equal to, so 6 is the LCM, 2 3 is 6, 3 pi plus 3 is 6, 2 pi. So this is 5 pi by 6. This also we can take. And then for n equal to 3, we can say that theta will be equal to 3 pi by 4 plus -1 whole power 3 into pi by 3. So this will be equal to 3 pi by 4 minus pi by 3. So this will be 3 4 is 12 and 4 3 is 12. So this is 9 pi minus 3 4 is 12, 5 pi. So this is 5 pi by 12. This also we can take. Then for n equal to 4, we can say theta will be equal to 4 pi by 4 plus -1 whole power 4 into pi by 3. So this will be pi plus pi by 3, which we cannot take since it is going outside the range. And then for n equal to 5, we can say that theta will be equal to n pi by 4, 5 pi by 4 plus -1 whole power 5 into pi by 3. So this will be 5 pi by 4 minus pi by 3. So this will be, if we take the LCM, 3 4 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 15 pi minus 3 4 is 12, 4 pi. So this will be 11 pi by 12. That also we can take. Now for n equal to 6, we cannot take. N equal to 7 also we can't take, since it will be then 7 pi by 4 minus pi by 3. So this will be 3 4s are 12, 4 are 12, 3 7s are 21 pi plus 3 4 are 12, 4 pi. So this will be now 17 pi by 12, which we cannot take. So it means till here we can take. So therefore the set S contains those angles theta such that it is from 0 to pi, and f dash theta is minus root 3 by 2. So therefore theta should be equal to n pi by 4 plus -1 whole power n pi by 3, and theta should belong to 0 to pi also. Then only theta will belong to the set S. So therefore the set S will be this one we will take, obviously. And n equal to -1 also we cannot take, since why, then theta will be minus pi by 4 minus pi by 3, which will be negative. Then it will be outside the range. So the set S will be obviously pi by 3 It will be pi by 3, and then it will be 5 pi by 6, 5 pi by 12 also, and then 11 pi by 12 also. So these four values we can have. Now therefore 4, it is told 4 beta is the summation of all these angles theta which are in the set S. So it will be sum of all these. So it will be pi by 3 plus 5 pi by 12 plus 5 pi by 6 plus 11 pi by 12. So this sum will be, LCM is 12. So 4 3 are 12. So then 5 pi plus 6 to 12, 10 pi plus 11 pi. So this will be actually 9 plus 11, that is 20, so 30 pi by 12. So this will be 3 4s are 12, 3 10s are 30, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So this is 5 pi by 2. So therefore uh, pi by 3 plus 12, okay. Okay, so 6 to the 12, 6 to the 30, okay, 5 pi by 2. So beta will be equal to 5 pi by 8. Now therefore f of beta has been asked. F of beta we have to find. F of beta, that is f of 5 pi by 8. So therefore this is f of theta has been told, that is equal to 3 by 2 minus half cos square 2 theta. 3 by 2 minus half cos square 2 beta, that we have to find 2 beta. So this will be 3 by 2 minus half cos square 2 beta, that will be 5 pi by 4, which is pi plus pi by 4. So it is cos is negative, but it will be cos pi by 4 only. So 3 by 2 minus half cos square pi by 4 only. So cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So square is there, so it will be half. So it is 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4. That will be 5 by 4. So 2 4, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 6 minus 1, 5 by 4. So f of beta is 5 by 4. So option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told the value of tan 9 degree minus tan 27 degree. So now here we know that tan 90 degree minus theta, that is equal to cot theta. So now this we can write it as tan 9 degree minus tan 27 degree. And so now tan 63 degree, that can be written as tan 90 minus, no, this can be written as cot 90 degree minus 63, which is cot 27 degree. So this is minus cot 27 degree, and similarly tan 81 degree can be written as cot 9 degree. So this is plus cot 9 degree. So this can be written as tan 9 degree plus cot 9 degree minus tan 27 degree minus cot 27 degree. Now this can be written as sine 9 degree by cos 9 degree plus cos 9 degree by sine 9 degree. Since cot theta is cos theta by sine theta, then minus, if I take it as common, then it will be sine 27 degree by cos 27 degree plus cos 27 degree by sine 27 degree. So now this will be, now if I take the LCM, then it will be cos 9 degree sine 9 degree, and in the numerator I will get sine square 9 degree plus cos square 9 degree minus this will be sine 27 degree into cos 27 degree, and here in the numerator I will have sine square 27 degree plus cos square 27 degree, So now this will be 1 by sine 9 degree into cos 9 degree. Minus this will be 1 by sine 27 degree into cos 27 degree. Now this one we can write it as 1 by, this will be, we know that sine theta cos theta, that can be written as sine 2 theta by 2. So this will be 2 by sine 18 degree minus this can be written as 2 by sine 54 degree. Now sine, also sine 90 degree minus theta, that is equal to cos theta. So therefore sine 54 degree can be written as cos 36 degree. Now cos 36, as you know, that is root 5 plus 1 by 4, and sine 18 degree, we know that is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So this can be written as 8 by root 5 minus 1 minus this can be written as 2 by, means 8 by root 5 plus 1. So now if we take LCM, then we will have 5 minus 1, and here we will have 8 into root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 plus 1. So root 5 will cancel. So it is 8 into 2 by 4. So 4 to the 8. So 2 to the 4. Therefore, the value of this expression is 4. 4 is the answer. Then here it is told 2 sine pi by 22 degree. Now, as we know, sine theta, that can be written as cos 90 degree minus theta, means cos pi by 2 minus theta. So therefore, similarly, sine pi by 22 can be written as cos of pi by 2 minus pi by 22. So it means we can say cos of 22 is the LCM. So 11 pi minus pi or this sine 3 pi by 22, I can write it as pi by 2 minus 3 pi by cos pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 22. So this will be 11 pi minus 3 pi by 22. So it is cos 8 pi by 22. And similarly, sine 5 pi minus 5 pi by 22, that can be written as cos pi by 2 minus 5 pi by 22. So this will be cos of 22 is the LCM, 11 pi minus 5 pi. 11 pi minus 5 pi by 22. So this is cos 6 pi by 22. Then sine 7 pi by 22, that can be written as cos of 11 pi minus 7 pi by 22. So it will be cos of 4 pi by 22. Similarly, sine 9 pi by 22, that can be written as cos of 11 pi minus 9 pi by 22. That will be equal to cos of 2 pi by 22. Now, so therefore, this can be written as 2 sine pi by 22, means we can write it as cos pi, so 10 pi, cos 10 pi by 22, or yeah, 2 sine pi by 22, then sine, then this I can write cos 8 pi by 22 into this is cos sine 5 pi by 22, that is cos 6 pi by 22, and this is cos 4 pi by 22 into cos, this is 2 pi by 22. Okay, so this can be written as 2 Now we can multiply and divide by cos pi by 22. 2 cos pi by 22 by cos pi by 22 into sin pi by 22 into I can write cos 2 pi by 22 into cos 4 pi by 22 into cos 8 pi by 22 into cos 6 pi by 22. Now this will be sin theta cos theta, that is equal to sin 2 pi by 22 by 2 into this is cos pi by 22 into cos 2 pi by 22. So 2 and 2 will cancel into cos 4 pi by 22 into cos 8 pi by 22 to cos 6 pi by 22. Now, this can be written as this I can write sine 4 pi by 22 by 2. So 1 by 2 sine 4 pi by 22, and by this cos pi by 22 is already there, into cos 4 pi by 22 into this is uh, cos 8 pi by 22 into cos 6 pi by 22. Now this will be half into this I can write sine 8 pi by 22 by 2, 2 into cos pi by 22 is there, into this is cos 8 pi by 22 into cos 6 pi by 22. Now this part can be written as cos 16, sorry, sine 16 pi by 22 by 2. Sine 16 pi by 22 by 2, so it is 2 power 3, so 8 cos pi by 22 into cos 6 pi by 22. Now cos 6 pi by 22 can be also written as minus cos pi minus theta. Since why cos theta can be written as minus of cos pi minus theta also. Since why cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So minus of that can be written as cos theta. Okay. So minus of cos 6 pi minus 6 pi by 22. This can be written as minus of cos 16 22 pi minus 6 pi, that is 16 pi by 22. So this is your, this can be written as minus of cos 16 pi by 22. So this will be again sine 32 pi by 22 minus by 2. So it is 16 cos pi by 22. So this is sine 32 pi by 22. This can be written as sine pi plus I can say this will be actually yeah, we can write it sine pi plus 10 pi by 22. It is actually sine 10 pi by uh, minus of sine 10 pi by 22, which is same as um, minus of cos pi by 2 minus 10 pi by 22, which will be now minus of cos, this will LCM is 22, so it is 11 pi minus 10 pi, so it is minus of cos pi by 22. So minus of this will be cos pi by 22 only. So cos pi by 22 by 16 cos pi by 22. So these two will cancel. So I will get 1 by 16. So 1 by 16 is the answer. So option B is the correct answer. Now here it is told that if cot alpha equal to 1 and alpha is more than pi but less than 3 pi by 2. So it means alpha is in the third quadrant. Third quadrant. So tan and cot are having positive values here. So therefore tan alpha also will be equal to 1. And then sec beta, that is equal to minus 5 by 3. So therefore cos beta also I can say that is equal to minus 3 by 5. And it is told that uh, beta is more than pi by 2 but less than pi. So it is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant. Now cos beta is minus 3 by 5. So now it means that pi by 2 to 3 pi. So pi by 2 to pi. So it is in the second quadrant. So here only sine and cosec are having positive values, but remaining tan beta will be negative only. So tan beta I can say this will be so from here sine beta I can say that will be obviously minus 4 by 5. No, 4 by 5. Since if I do square root of 1 minus cos square beta, that will be 1 square root of 1 minus 9 by 25. So it will be 4 by 5 only. So tan beta, it is sine beta by cos beta. So it is minus 4 by 3. So now therefore tan alpha plus beta I have to find. Then the value of tan alpha plus beta and the quadrant in which alpha plus beta lies. Now alpha plus beta if I do. Now alpha is having some value pi plus something. Let's say pi plus theta 1. Theta 1. Where theta 1 is from where theta 1 is an acute angle from 0 to pi by 2. And b, uh, beta also it is something like pi by 2 plus theta 2. Where theta 2 is from 0 to pi by 2. So alpha plus beta, their value will be 3 pi by 2, pi plus 3 by 2, pi 3 pi by 2 plus theta 1 plus theta 2. So it means that it will be obviously in the fourth quadrant. So it 3 pi by 2 more than that. Now we have to see if it is in the fourth quadrant, then tan alpha plus beta should have negative. So it can be either in fourth or it can be in the first also. So we have to check. So if tan alpha plus beta is having negative value, then I will tell that it is in the fourth quadrant. But if it is greater than 0, then I will tell that it is in the first quadrant. So now tan alpha plus beta value, that will be obviously equal to tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So this will be equal to now tan beta we have got and tan alpha also we have got. So it is 1 minus 4 by 3 by 1 minus of 1 into minus 4 by 3. So this will be 1 minus 4 by 3 by 1 plus 4 by 3. So now therefore tan alpha plus beta, it is coming 1 minus 4 by 3 by 1 plus 4 by 3. Plus 4 by 3. So this will be 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 4. So this is equal to minus 1 by 7. So it is having negative value only. So therefore alpha plus beta is in the fourth quadrant. Since in the fourth quadrant only cos and sec are having positive values and all the remaining are having negative values. So therefore tan alpha plus beta is minus 1 by 7 and it is in the fourth quadrant. So therefore option A is the correct answer. And here it is told alpha equal to sine 36 is a root of which of the following equations. So now sine 36 I can say it is sine 2 into 18 degrees. So now 2 into 18 degrees. Sine 36. Now, if you do the square of this, alpha square, that will be equal to sine square 36. Now sine square theta, we can say it is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So now alpha square I can write sine square 36 is 1 minus cos square 36 degree. Now cos 36, that is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. Therefore alpha square equal to 1 minus root 5 plus 1 whole square by 4. Four whole square, okay. So now alpha square, that will be equal to 16 minus this I can write 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 by 16. So it means what, 16 alpha square, that will be equal to 16 minus 6 minus 2 root 5 by 1. Okay. So 16 alpha square, that is equal to 10 minus 2 root 5. Now 16 minus 16 alpha square, we can divide by 2 on both sides. So I can say 2 8 is 16, 2 5 is 10, 2 1 is 2. So 8 alpha square minus 5, that is equal to minus root 5. Now you can again square both sides. So then we can say this will be 8 alpha square minus 5 whole square. So this will be 64 alpha square plus 25 minus 2 5 is 10, 80 alpha square, that is equal to 5. So therefore I can say 64 alpha square minus 80 alpha square. Now alpha power 4, this will be alpha power 4. 64 alpha power 4 minus 80 alpha square plus 20, that is equal to 0. So now if we divide both sides by 4, 16 4 is 64. So I will get 16 alpha power 4 minus 4 2 is 8, 20 alpha square plus 5, that is equal to 0. So this will be 10 minus 2 root 5. Okay, so this will be alpha is equal to sine 6. Okay. root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. So 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 by 16. So 16 alpha square is 16 minus 6. So 10 minus 2 root 5. So 8 to 8 the 16 to 5 is a 10 to, well, minus 5 whole square, that is equal to minus root 5 whole square. So if you square both sides, we will get 64 25 to 80 alpha square 20 equal to 0. We can divide by 4 to 8 4 5 is 20. So 16 alpha power 4 minus 20 alpha square plus 5, that is equal to 0. So it should be option B, but the sign here, there is some mistake. This will be minus, this will be plus. Then here it is told the value of cos 2 pi by 7 plus cos 4 pi by 7 plus cos 6 pi by 7 is equal to. So now when the angles are in AP, then we can say that this cos alpha plus beta plus cos alpha plus 2 beta plus cos of means plus dot dot plus cos of this alpha plus n minus 1 beta. When the angles are in AP, so there are n angles, then the sum is sine n beta by 2 by sine beta by 2 into cos of first angle plus last angle by 2, means 2 alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2. So this formula can be used when the angles are in AP. So here the common difference beta, that is equal to 2 pi by 7. Common difference beta is 2 pi by 7, and alpha, which is the first angle, that is also 2 pi by 7. So now therefore the sum will be, and here there are three angles also. It will be sine 3 into 2 pi by 7 by sine, so sine n beta by 2 into half. So then sine beta by 2 into half uh, into cos of first angle plus last angle, that is sine 8 pi by 7 by 2, so into half. So this will be 2 cancels, 2 cancels. So this is sine 3 pi by 7 by sine pi by 7 into cos of 4 pi by 7, 4 pi by 7. Now cos 4 pi by 7 or sine 4 pi by 7, that can be written as cos of no, okay, sine 3 pi by 7, that is also same as sine pi minus pi by 7, pi minus 3 pi by 7, that is equal to sine 4 pi by 7. So this is also sine 4 pi by 7. So I can say this is sine 4 pi by 7 into cos 4 pi by 7 divided by sine pi by 7. Now this sine theta cos theta, I can write sine 2 theta by 2. So it is half of sine 8 pi by 7 divided by sine pi by 7. Now sine 8 pi by 7, I can write this is half of sine pi plus pi by 7. Now sine pi plus theta is equal to minus sine theta, since it is in the third quadrant. So therefore this will be half into minus sine pi by 7 by sine pi by 7, so that these two will get cancelled and that will be minus 1 by 2. So minus half is the answer. So option B is the correct answer. Now 16 into sine 20 degree into sine 40 degree into sine 80 degree. So now the thing is, can see that now sine theta into sine 60 degree minus theta into sine 60 degree plus theta. So how to solve it? This will be sine theta. Now we know that sine A sine B, sine A sine B, that we can 2 sine A sine B, that can be written as cos of A minus B minus of cos A plus B. So this thing, this sine 60 degree minus theta into so it means sine A sine B, I can write half of this whole thing, half of cos A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So it means sine 60 degree minus theta into sine 60 degree plus theta. Now that this can be written as half of, means half of sine theta. Here I can take half, here I can write 2. So into this will be cos of this minus this by 2. So it is uh, like cos of minus 2 theta minus cos of A plus B. So it is cos 120 degree. So now cos of minus theta is same as cos theta only. So it is half of sine theta into this will be cos 2 theta minus cos 120 is again minus half. Since why cos 120 degree, cos 120 degree, I can write it as cos 180 degree minus 60 degree. So it is coming in the second quadrant where cos is negative. So it will be minus cos 60. Now cos 60 is half, so it will be minus half. So cos 120 is minus half. Now this will be half of sine theta into cos 2 theta, then minus of minus is plus, so plus half into sine theta into half. So now we can write 4 is the LCM, and then here we can write 2 sine theta into cos 2 theta plus sine theta. Now from here sine theta I can take common, and this here we can write 2 sine theta into this will be, so I can write 1 minus 2 sine square theta also, since cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta plus sine theta divided by 4. So now therefore sine theta into cos 6, no, into sine 60 degree minus theta into sine 60 degree plus theta, sine 60 degree plus theta, this can be written as sine theta by 4. Yeah, no, means 1 by 4, I can take it outside. 1 by 4 into this will be 2 sine theta, 2 sine theta, then minus 4 sine cube theta, 4 sine cube theta plus sine theta. So this will be 1 by 4 into 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Now 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta, we know that is equal to sine 3 theta. So it is equal to sine 3 theta by 4. So now therefore here it is told 16 into sine 20 degree into sine 40 degree into sine 80 degree. Sine 80 degree. So this can be written as 16 into sine 20 degree into sine 60 degree minus 20 degree into sine 60 degree plus 80 degree plus 80 degree. No, sorry, plus 20 degree. 60 degree plus 20 degree. So therefore here it is coming in this form only. In this form only it is coming where theta is 20 degree. So therefore this will be equal to 16 into sine 3 theta, means 3 into 20 degree by 4. So which means 4 4 is 16, so it will be 4 into sine 60 degree. Now sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So it will be 4 root 3 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. So 2 root 3 is the answer. So 2 root 3. So option B is the correct answer. Then here it is told 2 sine 12 degree minus sine 72 degree. Now this can be written as sine 12 degree plus sine 12 degree minus sine 72 degree. So this will be equal to sine 12 degree plus, now sine c minus sine d, I can write it as 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos c sine c minus sine d, we know sine c minus sine d, that is given as 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. So here c is 12, d is 72. So I can say 12 plus 72 by 2 into sine 12 minus 72 by 2. So this will be sine 12 degree plus 2 into cos 12 degree. So 12, so it is 84. 84 by 2, it is sine 42 degree into sine, this is minus 60 degree, minus 60 by 2. So this is minus 30 degree. So this sine of minus theta, we know that is equal to minus sine theta only. So this minus will come front. So it will be sine 12 degree and plus 2 into minus half. Since why sine uh, minus 30, sine minus 30 is same as minus sine 30, and sine 30 is half. So it is minus half into sine 42 degree. So now 2 will cancel. So it is coming sine 12 degree minus sine 42 degree. And so again the same formula we have to apply, which is 2 cos c plus d by 2, which is 12 plus 42 by 2 into sine 12 minus 42 by 2. So which is 2 into cos 54 by 2, which is cos 27 degree. 54 by 2 cos 27 degree into sine this is minus 30 by 2, which is minus 15 degree. No, sine c minus sine d. So 54 by 2. Okay. Now this is minus half. Now sorry, this is cos 42 degree. This is cos 42. So it is cos 42. So this is wrong actually. This is wrong. This will be cos actually. This is cos 42 degree, cos 84 by 2. So it is cos 42. Now cos 42, I can say it is sine 90 degree minus 42, which is sine 48 degree. So this I can write sine 12 degree minus sine 48 degree. Now sine c minus sine d again we have to apply. So it is 2 cos c plus d by 2, which is 12 plus 48 degree by 2 into sine 12 minus 48 degree by 2. So this will be a 2 cos, this is 60 by 2, that is cos 30 degree, into sine, this will be minus 36 by 2, minus 36 by 2, that is minus 18. So it is minus 2 sine 18 into cos 30. Cos 30 is, we know, that is root 3 by 2. So 2 will cancel. So it is minus root 3 into sine 18 degree. So now therefore the value is coming The value is coming minus 2 sine 18 degree. No, minus root 3 sine 18 degree. So it is minus root 3 into root 5 minus 1 by 4. So, or I can say it is root 3 into 1 minus root 5 by 4. Root 3 into 1 minus root 5 by 4. So option D is the correct answer. So hope all of you have understood the solutions of all these questions based on the previous year JEE Mains exam on the chapter Trigonometric Ratios and Identities. Still any doubts if you have, please write that in the comments, which will obviously clarify them. And please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. And those previous year questions which have been uploaded in the Sapience Education application shall be obviously helpful for your exam. So thank you everyone. Bye.